How to fix NFL Sunday ticket payment failed. Payment failed usually happens if your card or bank declined the transaction, or if your billing address doesn't match your bank's record, your card might be expired, or you might have insufficient funds to make the transaction. To fix this, firstly, begin to check your payment method. Make sure your card is active, not expired, and has sufficient funds. Verify that your billing address matches your bank or credit card records. You can also try it with a different card or payment method to see where issue arises. You can go to your NFL Sunday Ticket account settings, and here you can just remove your old card and re-enter updated card details. This way your payment info will be updated instead of adding a new one. If none of these are working, then you can simply consult with your bank. Sometimes banks might block large charges. In this case, you can simply call your bank to approve the transaction. If you have any kind of VPN or proxy enabled, then disable those. If none of these options are working, then retry it on a different browser or device. That's all for today. Thank you.